Bees are a type of winged insect that feed exclusively on nectar and pollen. Bees are typically docile creatures, and they only sting humans when they feel threatened or confused. In most cases, the stinger will remain lodged in the bite site and cause the surrounding skin to become swollen and itchy. To provide first aid for a bee sting, firstly remove the stinger using a straight-edged item, like a fingernail. Once the stinger has been removed, wash the bite site with soap and water to get rid of any remaining venom. Next, apply a cold compress to reduce swelling, and lather on some calamine lotion to ease redness and itching. If the casualty begins showing signs of anaphylaxis, such as facial swelling or breathing difficulties, follow doctors ABCD and call 000 for an ambulance. To learn more about how to identify and treat bee stings, book a first aid course with Australia-wide First Aid today.